Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring. On today's episode we got an interesting product for you. It is the door latch covers for the Mustang Mach-E. So I got here from the company called TopMuscle the solution to cover up these really ugly looking door latches in your Mustang Mach-E. So hit the subscribe button, stay tuned, we're coming right back at you. All right, everybody, well, welcome back. So like I was saying, I have here a TopMuscle solution for covering up these really ugly door latches in your Mustang Mach-E, make it look a little bit more appealing for the vehicle and, you know, for anybody that looks at it. So I have an unopened box here, so we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of an unboxing as well with this. So let's just take a quick look, get the plastic off of it, open it up, see what it looks like, because honestly, it's a really nice packaging that they give you, so I'm actually kind of curious as to how this looks. But let's go ahead, we'll get in there, get that out of the way. All right, so it just opens up like this. Really nice. Looks like it comes with some sort of small envelope here. Let's just take a look at this envelope real quick, as I am curious. Oh, cool, it comes with this little badge here. Mustang since 1964. That's pretty neat. Let's take a look at what else they got. So, oh, look at that. Carefully packed by Cindy. Thank you, Cindy, for putting together this package for me. It looks like they got some almost like little postcards, basically. You could write something on the back. Got pictures of some Mach-E's on there. Pretty neat. And let's see, what's this here? And, oh, okay, just a little catalog of all their other offerings here. So, pretty neat. We'll put that in here for now. And then right here we have the 4 of them. So there's 4, one for each door jamb here. And these are stainless steel. So they will, well, hopefully not rust on you when they have them in your Mach-E. And let's just take one out and take a look at it here. Ooh, really nice. Almost like a black chrome almost. Very, very nice with the ponies, like almost like a gold color. Pretty neat. Let's just take a look, see how that looks. Ooh, I like it. Like it a lot. So as you can see on the back, it just has some double-sided tape. That's all it takes for it to adhere to this piece of the steel. Just enough to cover it up. And it looks like that's about all there is to it. So I guess what we're gonna do is we're just gonna clean this area up with some alcohol. And then we're gonna go ahead and just, you know, give it a shot, see how it looks. All right, so all I got here is just some isopropyl alcohol and a cloth here. All I'm gonna do is just soak this area with some alcohol, clean it up, make sure it's got no, you know, sediments or dirt or debris, anything on that. And that'll make a nice clean surface for the actual TopMuscle cover to adhere to. So we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. And let's get this first one put on there. Okay, we got the backing off of the 3M tape there. So we're gonna make sure we put it right side up. And we're gonna go straight on with it. Make sure it lines up well. Yeah, that looks great. So basically just lined it up, pushed it on there, made sure it was, you know, straight on there so it's not shifted to one side at all. And yeah, that looks really, really nice. I like it. Let's go do the rest of them on the car, and then we'll take a look at them when I'm done. So just to show you the finished product here, here is the front door one. Looks really, really neat. Love how these things kind of have this glossy texture to them because it matches the glossiness of the paint, but then it's got this really nice accent color. Definitely makes it stand out a little bit. Much nicer than those other, just the factory, you know, steel hooks that are sticking out there. Really, really like it. Let's take a look at the back seat. Now this is the one that I really like because this one is a lot higher, so it's a lot more noticeable when somebody's getting into the vehicle. But once again, you can see how it just kind of cleans up this area, puts a mask over that really ugly piece of steel that, you know, with the with those 2 Torx bolts and stuff, you know, this makes it look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Definitely dresses up the Mach-E. So, you know, as you're coming into the vehicle, open the door, and wham, there it is. looks really, really nice. Well, there you go, everybody. So those are the TopMuscle stainless steel door jamb latch cover things for the Mustang Mach-E. I definitely like the way they look. They definitely dress up the car just a little bit more, which is really cool because, you know, customizing your car is what it's all about. And these are just one little thing that you add to the car to make it yours, make it different than everybody else's on the road. So I really like those. I think it looks great. It functions perfectly fine for what it needs to do. It'll protect that area just a little bit better from any type of debris or anything getting in there. And it covers up those ugly looking Torx bolts that they got sticking out there. So really like them. I think it looks fantastic on this car. And if you like them, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Of course, if you're interested in these products, you could just click on the link in the description below to find them, and you can order them for your Mustang Mach-E as well. I'd like to thank you very much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Of course, if you're a Mustang Mach-E enthusiast, I have plenty of other videos on the channel about accessories and everything else that we do with this Mustang Mach-E. But I'd like to thank you very much for watching. Check us out on all our website and social medias, linked in the description below, of course. And I'd like to thank you once again for watching. And remember, welcome to the future and welcome to Tech Motoring. And we'll see you on the next episode. Looks great.